I see Echidna a lot as a mentoring and collaborative practice.
They're always good for recommendations and knowledge shared that way, and also with best practices.
We help e-commerce managers, marketing managers, creative directors. We help them into our creative process, showing them, what tools we use, how we're proving out our hypothesis on behavior and traffic. We want to empower them with the tools to be able to have a successful UX practice.
The part that is really huge for me that I found has helped me grow both my career and also become a better asset internally is, it's that teaching aspect, which shows that they're comfortable with that knowledge share.
They're able to bring in their knowledge from working with other partners, something that we appreciate in working with Echidna, as well as their vast knowledge in the e-commerce domain.
What's really gratifying is to see positions like your e-commerce manager, who really is your day-to-day practice for your company, getting them in tune with what the platform can do, maximizing what they're seeing from their customers and getting the most out of their business.
It doesn't feel like a customer to a vendor relationship. It feels more of a partnership and like a team.